The best is got out of the best typewriters only when they're regularly cleaned and maintained. Taking only a few minutes each day and presenting no difficulty whatsoever, regular cleaning and simple maintenance will add years to the life of a machine. It will also make life a good deal easier for the typist. There's no reason why the clear, clean type and easy movement so characteristic of a new machine should not be retained by one many years old, provided it's being properly looked after. Unless it is being properly looked after, a typewriter cannot be expected to produce good work. A few minutes daily spent in cleaning the machine would have avoided most of this. Let's just see exactly what daily maintenance involves.